Latest Webb telescope images show a cosmic phenomenon called an Einstein ring. More on that coming up, but first, non-paying Gemini users can now play around with Google's newest model, the experimental version of Gemini 2.5 Pro. The company announced this weekend that it's making Gemini 2.5 Pro, experimental, free for everyone to use, albeit with tighter rate limits for non-subscribers. Google introduced Gemini 2.5 Pro just last week, touting it as its most intelligent AI model yet, and rolled it out to Gemini Advanced users first. It's available now in Google AI Studio and the Gemini app. While free users can now try it out too, Google added that Gemini Advanced users have expanded access and a significantly larger context window. Gemini 2.5 Pro Experimental is the first of Google's Gemini 2.5 thinking models, which are sent to deliver more accurate results through reasoning. In a blog post, the company explained that this refers to its ability to analyze information, draw logical conclusions, incorporate context and nuance, and make informed decisions. Check out the latest gadget and app news, reviews, price drops, and more at Engadget.com. The latest image from NASA's James Webb Space Telescope also happens to be a stunning illustration of Einstein's theory of general relativity, so much so that the cosmic phenomenon is called an Einstein ring. Einstein rings happen when light from one distant object is bent around the mass of another slightly closer and even larger object. The effect is normally too subtle to observe up close on a local level, but it sometimes becomes clearly observable when dealing with curvatures of light on enormous astronomical scales, NASA writes. In the case of this image, it's the light from one distant galaxy wrapped around the mass of another. This gravitational lensing, as it's technically called, is Einstein's general relativity in practice. Space-time, the fusion of space and time that makes up the fabric of the universe, curving around an object's mass, with the curve itself being gravity. Objects like the ones pictured in the image, an elliptical galaxy wrapped in a spiral galaxy, are the ideal laboratory in which to research galaxies too faint and distant to otherwise see. This Einstein ring was captured by the Strong Lensing and Cluster Evolution (SLICE) survey conducted at the University of Liège in Belgium. The survey is led by a team of astronomers looking to trace 8 billion years of galaxy cluster evolution, according to NASA. Thanks for listening to the show. Make sure to rate, review, and subscribe on Apple Podcasts. Today's show featured journalism by Engadget contributor Cheyenne McDonald and was produced by Spoken Layer. I'm Imran Sheikh, and as always, we'll talk more tomorrow.
Spoken Layer.